Okay, so search maintain file search cache. When enabled, the search service process will be kept alive instead of being shut down after an hour of inactivity. This will keep the file search cache in memory. Now, to me, 1 hour of inactivity is way more than enough for the search cache. Usually, if it has been 1 hour, I'm probably onto something else, like far away from the context that I was when I first started that first search. So I don't really care too much about this search cache, but if you have a use case where you really need to not forget whatever you searched and in the search results that yielded, just set this to true and it will be active. It will remain active until you close VS Code. For me, 1 hour is way more than enough, so I'm going to leave this one set to false.